This is the world's most amazing map in nature. My vision to the wonders and mysteries of nature. The kaleidoscope map. Shape look like alien from head to foot. Head is part of Luzon. Eyes, exactly Manila, the capital of the Philippines. Nose, part of Calatagan, Batangas. Mouth, part of Batangas City. Neck, part of Quezon Province, Lucena City. One feet, part of Sarangani Province in Davao del Sur. Another 1 feet, part of Zamboanga. And Palawan is the cane or walking stick. I believe the shape map of the Philippines is formed like an alien that is walking without any direction and with lots of burden on her shoulders, lots of problems politically, socially, economic crisis, poverty, hunger, and deterioration of morals, on which she is trying to escape, but she cannot forgo the reality and truth. This observation was made based on my own conclusion and belief. This is the amazing roots. Shape look like prehistoric animals. The lost prehistoric animals. Dinosaurs. Jurassic figure. Look monster. And look like alien. Millions in the land of the Philippines, crafted by nature. To see is to believe.